church today. A productive weekend for me is definitely making it to church. Go to church every Saturday. Do I look church friendly? Church! Let's go worship. This night shift is not making sure right now. Okay. Yeah, all right, my dear. Let's go work.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go work.
Oh my God.
I'm tired.
What about tomorrow? I need to do my kids' hair. And I need to sleep. I need to rest.
You need to sleep, you need to do your kids' hair, you need to rest.
Yeah.
Life of a mother in the UK. I need to do what? I need to go shopping. I need to do my own hair. I don't think I'm gonna do it. I wanted to do it. I can't. Yeah, I wanted to do it, but then now this will have to do for some time. I wanted to braid it, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to braid. Priorities. Yeah, I think I'm gonna sleep. I'm gonna go shopping. Make sure that I have the stuff for the week, and then that's it. That's it. Make sure that I have stuff for the week. Prepare the things that I need to sew, the uniforms. That's it. I'm not even gonna bother about cleaning and everything. No, let's be realistic.
Yeah. Cleaning.
Do what you can. Let's go work. We are off to the store. I am going to go buy ingredients to make myself a ginger shot. I feel like these have been very helpful, and the one that I want to make this time around is from pineapples, okay? So let's go get these ingredients. Plus it's a Sunday. It's time to prep for the week. Oh, come on! It's breakfast, guys, and I'm gonna be on my way out shortly. And usually I just carry a smoothie. Guys, let's make this smoothie. It's very simple. I just put 2 handfuls of spinach and a banana in my blender. I add oatmeal because it just helps to keep me fuller for longer, and of course it's also healthy for you. I add protein to my shake every single day. I also add collagen for the hair, for the nails, for the skin. I also add flaxseed meal. It's very good. It's a superfood, guys, as you know. And then together with this, I add almond milk. Almond milk is just my preference of mine, and it's got no sugar, so it is really, really healthy for you. Add that milk, mix it all together, and then there you have a smoothie. I don't think the calories in this is a lot, so I usually still have a fruit or something that will just keep me, you know, going until lunchtime. Yeah, you need to eat so your body can be able to operate and to function. Your brain can work well. You know, not having enough calories is not really the healthiest thing to do. But yeah, pour it in there, and then I am off to work. Easy peasy, beautiful, and it tastes delicious. Okay, smoothies are easy, guys. We all know this. There, I've made it into work on time, every time. It smells of toast. Morning. Hello, hello. They put these up. Good morning. Hello, darling. How are you? You guys have done well. Who put these up? another day. Careful, guys. So today we are walking instead of taking the bus. Work is really not far from here. It's just like a few minutes away. But when the weather's not so great, when it's too cold, it's better. It is better just to take the bus. But today, I don't know if you can see behind me, the sky is a little bit clear. It is still very cold, but it is nice and clear. Love how they put up all these signs around the hospital for everyone to encourage us from walking more. So pretty.